Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a pretty cool video that I've never done on my channel before, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Something I've never done on my channel before, and it's gonna be a pretty cool video. And what it is a collection of all my cars that I have, stuff that's not cars, and yeah. And I'm gonna be showing you it today because I haven't done one of these videos on my channel since I started my YouTube channel. Never done one of these videos before. I'm starting this way, and then going this way, and then going this way. That's how long my collection is. Starting off, we got a truck. Really old truck. Showing you the bottom. And I'm going to be showing you the whole, every side, front, and bottom of each thing in my collection. And some of this stuff, the hood open, trunk open, doors open, and like that. I'm gonna shut it. Now I'm gonna show you the bottom. There's so many. Showing the bottom. Now I'm going to show you everything that's in my collection. Oh. The hood for the engine, it didn't like when I take it off, it broke off and it didn't like to stay on. It stays on, but if I do this, it just breaks. It's broken off. Then put this back on. So we can see the bottom. Going to the next one. For this car, there's a little special tool for the door to open, and I don't have that tool. It's somewhere in my room, but I don't want to search for it right now. Just to show you how the doors work. There's a little tool that goes with the car for the two side door to open. And I don't. It's somewhere in my room. I just don't want to search for it right now. Got another one. This one is not a roof or doors. Show you the bottom. And that's that. Some of the cars that I show you are old cars, some of them are new, nicer cars, some of them are oak, and some of them are nice cars. Like this one is a really old car. I don't think they even make these anymore. Show you the bottom. Next to this item, to the next thing in my collection. Showing the bottom. Don't show you the bottom of everything in my collection. This is a regular truck. Some of these things, the doors don't open, and tailgate doesn't open, and hood doesn't open. And I don't think I showed you the bottom of this truck. I didn't. I forgot to show you the bottom of this truck. Yeah. This is all the big cars that I have in my collection. Now it's all a small car, medium, small, medium, yeah. And all my small, medium cars, I didn't really put in order. The only ones I put in order are the big one. Because I have a lot more small, medium-sized cars compared to big ones. And I don't need any more stuff. Any more cars or trucks or anything that I'm going to show you. Because I have plenty of it. And a lot of these like smaller and medium-sized cars, the hoods and doors don't open. It's mostly the bigger cars that they do. Oh, I forgot to show you the two bottom of these cars. But that's okay. I almost forgot to show you the bottom of the two cars. So many cars and yeah, stuff, and some other stuff down the road, down the aisle. That's some other pretty cool stuff that I'm gonna show you. Like this one, the door's open, but not the hood. So many cards in trunks. So much stuff. I got so much stuff in my collection. You won't even believe it. Some of this stuff is old, some of this stuff is not old. Like this, it's a lot compared to all the other stuff that I showed you. I have stuff that's not cars or not trash or this. Yeah. Like this is something totally into it, not a car. And yeah, something different. So much stuff in my collection, but I'm almost done. So much stuff. So much stuff in my collection that I have. And a lot of the brands, I don't really know what it is. I don't know what kind of brand of the stuff that I'm showing you. If you guys know any of these brands of stuff that I'm showing you, you can let me know in the comment. So many. Doors open. Yep. There's a lot of these cars, the doors and front and hood doesn't open. so much stuff. We're almost done. And then all these brands on these things that I'm showed you, I don't know the brands of it or what kind it is. If you guys know, you can let me know in the comments, please. Door is open. You're almost done, guys. So much stuff in my collection. Let me come a little bit closer. So much stuff, but I am almost done. I don't think I show you the bottom of the green one. There. And now, and then maybe you guys, and we don't now on the stand up. Now I stand up. Now you can see my whole collection. That's my whole collection of stuff. Hope you guys liked it. And some of the stuff I don't know what kind, what the brands are. What the brands are. These are on. I don't know what brand these are on all this stuff. If you guys know, please leave it down in the comment. Please. Hope you guys enjoyed my cool video. Never done one of these before on my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Stop recording.